Welcome back to episode 9 of my Soup of the Week series. This week we're making a delicious celeriac and apple soup. This is how you do it. So as we always do, we're going to start by preparing the vegetables. For this recipe we're going to need 2 medium onions and we're going to peel and dice them. And then we're going to peel and dice 1 whole celeriac. It doesn't really matter how big you cut these vegetables, just as long as they're all roughly around the same size, especially the celeriac and the apple. And peel and dice 2 apples. You can use any apples of your choice, but I recommend just a nice eating apple that you like to eat. Just choose your favourite and go with that. Now we'll place a saucepan over medium heat and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we'll add in the onions, followed by a pinch of salt. And then we'll sweat that down for roughly 2 to 3 minutes until they go a little bit soft and transparent. Once they go soft and transparent, we'll then add in the celeriac and the diced apple. Now we're going to add in 1 litre of boiling water and then we'll place the lid on and allow it to simmer for roughly around 20 minutes until the celeriac is tender. Okay, so while the soup is simmering away, we're just going to make a nice little topping to finish it off. So for that I'm going to toast off some crushed hazelnuts with a little bit of garlic. And then we're going to stir that through some olive oil with some freshly chopped parsley, and then we'll just drizzle that over the top right at the end. So now we've been cooking the soup for about 20 minutes and the celeriac is now tender. We're going to take it off the heat, add in 200 ml of milk and then blend it until it's completely smooth. As always, the next step is to taste and season the soup. We're just going to do that very simply with salt and pepper. So give it a taste and then adjust the seasoning to your personal taste. And now it's time to serve. To serve, simply ladle the soup into the bowl. And then finish with that delicious toasted hazelnut, garlic and parsley oil. So there it is, that's how you make a lovely celeriac and apple soup, and then we've finished that with a delicious toasted hazelnut, garlic and parsley oil. Honestly, you can't beat it. It's full of earthy flavours, but also nice bright tangy flavours coming from the apple. You should really go out and give it a go this winter. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to learn how to make some more awesome soups, then you can check out this playlist somewhere up here.